Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like, subscribe, and comment down below. The palette I'll be using is from Suva and it's the Prestige palette, and the shade I'm using is called Tact. The next shade I'll be using is called Conscious. To cut the crease, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. The shade I'll be applying on top will be Era. Brush I'm using is from Alamar Cosmetics. Going back with the shade Conscious. The highlight on the brow, I'll be using the shade Era as well. For the wing liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Megaliner. Mascara, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero. Lashes I'll be applying is from e.l.f. Cosmetics and it's the StarStruck. The lash glue I'll be applying is from Kiss. For primer, I'll be using the Maybelline Babyskin. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Superstay in the shade Classic Ivory. The brush I'm using is from Luxie and it's a precision foundation brush. The concealer I'm using is from Wet n Wild again. For contour, I'll be using the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. I'll be using the Airspray in the shade Translucent. Palette I am using is from Wonder Beauty, and it's the Dusk to Dawn palette, and the shade I am using is Havana Nights. The brush I am using here is from Crown Brush, and it's a blush brush. As for the highlight, I'll be using the shade City of Lights. The brush I am using here is a Luxie brush, and it's a tapered highlighter brush. Make the highlight more glittery, I'm going to be using the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. For under the lash line, I'll be using the shade Balance. The brush I am using is also from Luxie Beauty. We'll apply the shade Conscious as well under the lash line. For the inner corner, I'll be applying two different highlights, and I'm using the shade City of Lights, and the other shade is called Era. For the lips, I'll be applying the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Delish. The second lip product I'll be applying is from Tarte, and it's the lip gloss in the shade, I believe, Infamous. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you like this look, please like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts about this tutorial. And thanks for watching.